Here I've got BLU Vivo One Plus 2019, and let me show you how to activate and use developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick settings, now go to system and click on about device. Here you will notice build number, so just click on it for 7 times, and as you can see now you are a developer. So let me go back, and as you can see developer options appeared here, so smoothly click on the tab to access them. And now here you can switch them on and off, so now they are active, and you can use all the super features in your device. You can perform very advanced operations. So for example, you can allow some features, you can don't keep activities here, you can activate strict mode enabled, you can disable USB routing and pick whatever you need to do. You can force GPU rendering as well. Just come along with all the options, all the possibilities, and just use them smoothly by tapping on this switcher. You can activate some features and then deactivate them the same way. And then whenever you would like to switch developer options off, just tap here, and as you can see they are no longer active. If you will go back, they would disappear, so anytime you would like to use them again, you will have to perform the same trick one more time. So that would be all. This is how you can unlock and use developer options. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.